Kia ora everyone, as you can see, we're not in our usual place of filming. So follow us so we can talk to you and introduce ourselves more discreetly. Let's go!
Come on, Muffy! Oh, we're waiting for you!
Oh, the car's going. Fatties, let's go!
Ready? Let's go! Huh? What school do we have? Let's have a look.
Welcome to Cannons Creek School. My name is Rahiti. I am Kokalan and Maori. My name is Sarah. I'm full Samoa. I like Kapahaka because of the game and songs. And we get to not do the work in the morning, doing the facials and learning how to do the actions properly in Kapahaka. Listening and pronouncing the words properly. Doing the actions when it's different. And sometimes the poise. And I like the tutors. They're nice, but sometimes they're mean, but it's fine. My favorite tutor is Lassie. He shows us the actions in his way. Miracle. She's good at showing her pikana, and I like how she mean. I don't know why, but I just like her. Hakas in School 2023 signing out. Yeah.
Welcome to Rangikura School. During this journey, we've been learning a whole new haka ever since our new tutors came in and why it is. For me, it's the culture, takes a lot.
Just like experiencing the Māori culture, just representing other people's culture and just enjoying it.
Sometimes it's the words. Who's the one that actually leads a lot, the one that takes a lot of courage out of all of them? That always tells the boys to get down to their knees, the one that tells us to go outside, tells the girls how to do the poise. Anyway, she has just a lot of courage and leadership.
I just love the confidence. Whenever we're not paying attention, she's just she's out there.
Maybe a couple hakas they learned when they were a kid, or maybe our age. Hakas in School 2023 signing out.
Welcome to Willie School. For 2 years now. New songs and new hakas.
Being here with my mates.
You're saving and enjoying the time with the tutors.
I like all the tutors.
Meko, Rina, Poko, Des, Masi, and Losa. They're my favorites. They all just get straight to the point.
So good right now.
Yeah, I'd like to see more. Hakas in School 2023 signing out.
What's up? Welcome to Maraeroa School. My name is Sia.
My name is Ata.
And my cultures are Tok, Tokelau, Samoan, Tuvaluan, and Cook Island.
I am Māori, Irish. I love learning about my ancestors and where they came from, and lots of other stuff about my culture.
I'm kind of built different, yeah. So it's quite easy, but sometimes it can be hard. There's long Māori words. It's kind of in the blood. I've learned that the haka doesn't really need you to scream. It just needs you to have passion about it. Yeah.
Same thing as
Basically, we've learned songs. So many songs.
I like learning the meanings of the song, and I like leading.
Both of us.
It's hard, but it's easy.
I'm leading with my friends. I like the songs. It's very, very catchy. Yeah. Probably for Kapahaka, the Christmas concert.
Christmas concert.
Poko, Losa, Luchi, Rina, Meko, Masi. They're nice. They're good at Kapahaka. in general.
I got 3 favourites. Lucci is my first, second is Poko, and third is Losa.
So, in terms of teaching Hakas, who was your favourite student?
Poko. Yeah.
Lucci is really loud. Losa is very high, but really good at singing. And Poko's good at being a boy.
She sounds like a boy when she does Hakas, not gonna lie. I want to do more of the Rako sticks. It's very fun.
Doing the poi. We haven't done it yet.
Wait, more passion, more energy, more footwork, more footwork.
Hakas in Schools 2023 signing out.
Because we cover over 11 schools, there are a few who don't allow videography or photography within their schools. But that's okay.
Hello, this is Russell School. I'm Ane and my coaches are Tonga and Tokelong.
Hello, my name is Dafa. My coach is Tonga. Good. We've gotten better with our haka and no talking.
Yeah.
And more listening. We've been learning songs and hakas.
Just enjoying the hakas and the games.
Yeah, just same as her and being motivated by our tutors to do better.
Preparing for graduation.
Yeah.
So one of the words could be like hard to say, and then that's the words to the songs.
But of the actions.
Yeah.
Masi, Miracle, Destiny, Losa, Hoko, Masi because he, like whenever we do our haka, we just do something wrong or we're not loud enough. When he does it, it's loud and clear, so it gets us motivated so we can do better.
Miracle because she could be fun with, but sometimes she would like tell us to do stuff that we don't know, like the words.
Yeah.
Like she'll go over what we don't know, so we like know them by heart.
Hakas in Schools 2023
signing out.
So for this week's updated Hello Notica train from Big Camp Possible. So thank you, Fetties. Take it away! Anna! Rena, we can see you!
Welcome to Sacred Haka People School.
And this is Hakas in School. Hakas in School.
Right? Here. Let's just have a rest together.
Yeah. My best. Whoa! Wow. But that is us for season 2 of Hakas and Polyclub in School. We've really enjoyed this year. Hope you have enjoyed it as well. This is not the last time you will be seeing us. We also have season 3. Hope you have a good holiday and we'll see you all next year. Fatties out!